Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add resume on LinkedIn. So first, go over to second right here, settings and privacy, click on that. Then under settings, you can see that data privacy, click on that. Then scroll all the way down until you see job seeking preferences. Then simply click on job application settings. Now, as you can see, share resume data with hirers. So click on upload resume, upload your resume, and keep in mind that it has to be DOC, DOCX or PDF, and it has to be under 5 megabytes. So as you can see, hirers can view skills and experiences from the resumes you choose to share when they search and view profiles and evaluate applicants through LinkedIn's hiring tools. So click this on or off if you need. This is how you add a resume to LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.